Good evening, Mallikarjun.
Good evening, sir.
Hi, this is Yogesh here from CMTI Quality Department. Now I'm going to take your feedback. So congratulations on your placement.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Can you just introduce yourself?
Sir, myself, Mallikarjun. I'm from Kalaburagi, sir. I have graduation from PDA College of Engineering, sir. And my mother is a housewife. My father is a Suryakant, is a farmer, sir.
Okay.
And then I have completed my diploma in civil engineering in Government Polytechnic, Kalaburagi, sir.
And how did you come to know about CMTI?
Sir, by friends, sir.
Which course you joined here?
Sir, interior design management I took, sir.
And what were the learnings during your internship here at CMTI?
Sir, they teach us SketchUp software, sir, and SketchUp various, sir, and Autocad, sir.
Okay. And what about the top sessions, offline sessions which you attended? Can you just
almost SketchUp classes I attended fully, sir, and they took Autocad classes also. The fully I attended, sir.
And what about the site visit? Where and all you went? Like
I visited the factory Aristo, sir, Aristo company, sir. Aristo factory I visited, sir. There I saw something how type of the manufacture means what type of material we can see, process we can see, sir. There. And I visited the Homeland showroom, sir. There we saw the modular kitchens, wardrobes, bedrooms, sir. We saw, sir.
And how was the support from the trainers, coordinators, staff?
The trainers, the teaching is excellent, sir, by trainers. Software teaching is excellent, sir. And the staff and coordinators also nice, sir, for teaching how the sessions are conducted very nice.
How many interviews you attended?
I only attended only one interview, sir, and got selected.
And how was the preparation from your end?
Preparation means that basic what they are teaching us, that only I prepared, sir. Then I attended interview, sir.
Can you just tell me, like in detail, how the interview process went?
Sir, they asked about what we entered in CV. They asked about that, and college we did projects and internship. They asked, sir, that much.
Finally, what you would like to tell to your juniors and students who are interested to join CMTI?
Sir, this institute is very nice for learning and for placements also, sir. And teaching skills are nice, sir, here for softwares also as well as construction field also. It was nice, sir.
Fine. Thank you once again. Congratulations on your completion of the course as well as the you got placement.
Thank you, sir.
Wish you good luck for your future.
Thank you, sir.